shoot the COVID or any other virus for that matter. Namaste everyone, my name is Vasudha Talware and let's understand what really allows the virus like a COVID virus thrive inside of you. Vibrate at a higher frequency is what I'll say. When you vibrate at a low frequency is when the virus takes over. It takes charge and starts controlling you. When your immunity drops, it starts attacking you. So what do you have to do? All you have to do is vibrate at a higher frequency. We all vibrate at a certain frequency. What is the COVID virus's frequency? It is merely 5.5 Hertz. That's it. And a normal human being vibrates at a far higher, far, many times over frequency than this virus's frequency does. And this virus dies at the frequency of 25.5 Hertz. So for us human beings, this COVID virus is just another complaint. What are the reasons why we vibrate at lower frequencies? Our emotions like fear, rage, fatigue, hatred, our nervous system, all these play a part in lowering your vibration. Any negative emotion, any gossip for that matter, you step into a room full of gossip, there immediately notice that your energies are dropping, you're going down on a slump, you're emotionally getting disturbed, and that's the breeding ground for any virus to take over and attack you. Notice that in any environment, step into a toxic environment, step into a fight, into a discontented environment, step into a complaining zone, step into any zone which is not healthy, which has regrets, which has jealousy, which has all that spewing fire, spewing venom and all that takes your energies down. When your energies go down, your immunity system also goes down. And when your immunity levels go down, God save you. You don't need a COVID. Even a basic virus can also cause you harm, attack you and take you for a ride. Even watching news for that matter. What are you watching on your news channel? Are you looking at something which is happy? Because news is not only about the sad aspects of life. There are good news also. But what are you choosing to watch? Are you looking at who's dying, who's dead, who's committed suicide, or what's getting bombed and how people dying, who getting raped and what the political scenario is like and all that that's disturbing, that's not calming. Do you feel happy after you watched the news channel? Even forget news channel, even the TV series or the Netflix series that you choose to watch, what are they imparting to you? How are you feeling at the end of it? If you're feeling happy, elated, high frequency, chirpier, then you're doing the right thing. But if you're not, which means you're lowering your frequency levels, all you need to do is be aware of the same. The frequency of our Earth is 27.4 Hertz today. But there are places which vibrate at a far lesser frequency than the Earth's frequency. Those places are your hospitals, your morgues, your assistance centers, jails, underground places. All these places vibrate at a lesser frequency. This is where the vibration drops below 20 Hertz. And remember, the virus's frequency is 5 Hertz. So you've still not gotten to the virus's frequency. But the minute the place's frequency coupled with your own frequency, which could be negative at that point in time, can go even lower. Because the place you are in also impacts your own state of mind, and if your state of mind is not healthy, you will only go down. And the minute you match the frequency of that of the virus, with all that emotion, the turmoil, the disturbed state of mind that you are carrying around with you, the virus will easily take over. And for us humans, the lower the vibration, the more susceptible we are to getting attacked by viruses. Now I have here a list of all the categories of our emotions, our expressions, and the frequencies at which that particular emotion or expression vibrates at. So let me read it out to you. 1. Pain. Pain has a frequency of 0.1 to 2 hertz, lesser than the virus's frequency. Fear has a frequency of 0.2 to 2.2 hertz, again lesser than that of the virus's frequency. Third, irritation, 0.9 to 6.8 hertz. Noise, 0.6 to 2.2 hertz. Pride, I am great, you are not, who are you, I am everything, 0.8 hertz. Feeling abandoned, not abundant but abandoned, like left out, left alone, 1.5 hertz. Superiority, I am the best, 1.9 hertz. And the positive criteria, the positive elements or the positive expressions have a far higher frequency that you can imagine. 1. Generosity, 95 hertz. Earth's frequency is 27.4 hertz. Generosity, 95 hertz. Being truly thankful, 150 hertz. Compassion, 150 hertz. Love for all, 150 hertz. Unconditional love for everyone and the universe, 250 hertz. So isn't it obvious that a higher vibration, there's no chance a petty little virus can do anything to you. But the thing is, can we be loving, giving, forgiving, compassionate, grateful, generous, and all those positive things that I just read out, and so much more? There's so much to be. Instead of being fearful, being jealous, being negative, being critical, and being all that doesn't help you in life eventually. So why be that when you in fact can be something more positive and uplift your frequency levels, and at that frequency is where you attract all the good things in life. You be loving, you will attract more love, more goodness, more kind-hearted people towards you. It's obvious, isn't it? Even prayer has a frequency, and that's between 120 hertz to 350 hertz. Just pray. Pray every day. Your way. You don't have to be religious to pray. You can just pray. Close your eyes and express your gratefulness, your thankfulness, and just pray for a good life. Pray that Mother Earth gets healed. Pray that you get healed. Pray that you have a good life ahead. Pray that you achieve all your goals. Pray that you are of help to someone, can assist someone, can bring a smile on someone's face. Just pray and see the frequency at which the prayer comes is far, far higher than all the other ones that we saw previously. So what do you have to do? Love, smile, laugh, paint, dance, giggle, sing, meditate, yoga, tai chi, jog, run, walk. Do all those things that uplift you and clear up your mind so that you don't have any mind space left to entertain the negative thoughts in your space. Hope this video has helped you and that you realize that killing the virus is not such a difficult task. Maintaining your vibration at a higher frequency is the key to a healthy way of living your life, the yoga way of living your life, the spiritual way of living your life. Be highly one with your own spirit and stay healthy and stay blessed. Love you very much. Mwah. If you like listening to my video, please subscribe to my channel for many, many more such videos coming your way. Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you very much.